What is up, Monet Gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now, before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. So this meal prep video is like a month old, so if I mess up on like some of the voiceover, just bear with me. But this is the cookbook I use. It's called Plant You, and I forget how to say the lady's name. I think it's Carrie. Is it Carrie? I don't know. It's something, but I'm gonna put the link to the cookbook down below. So every week, either for breakfast or like with my lunch, I have a fruit salad, and I just cut up pineapples, some oranges, grapes, strawberries. I love plums, and then sometimes kiwi, and I always have a banana for breakfast. So this is just gonna be me cutting it up. Okay, so I always clean my fruit with baking soda, vinegar, and then some water, and then juicing. When this video started, I only did celery juice, so that's what you about to see me cutting up. But I done tried like maybe 5 to 10 different juices now, and I think I'm gonna record a video just on that. Like, I done upgraded for real. I don't even use these bowls no more. Y'all about to see everything. I changed my jars, all that. Like, I need to update my video already. Okay, so I usually let it, oh, I cannot talk. I let it sit in the little mixture for 15 minutes. Then I use this salad spinner to dry it off, and then I put it in these glass jars. I think I took a picture of them, and I'm gonna upload them because they're so much better. Oh, I recorded a video that I'm insert at the end. But that's what I use now. Like, this wasn't cutting it. And then these grapes I had left over from the week before, so I put a napkin at the bottom of the bowl because I feel like I can make it last longer. I don't know, it could all be in my head, but I swear it works. And yeah. And looking back now, this is just crazy. I used to take one of everything. So one pineapple, one strawberry, I think grapes, a kiwi, mango. I'm not a huge fan of mango, but like sometimes I like it. I used to take one of everything, and now I just put it all in a jar, and it's the best thing ever. Persian eyes. Okay, so these are the jars and they're so much better. So I got this 3-pack from Marshall's. It was $7.99, and then I got a 2-pack that was way bigger. It was $7.99 as well. And I got another 3-pack that was like smaller, and those was $5.99. You can get them on Amazon, but they're gonna be more expensive. I'm gonna try to find a link to Marshall's. I don't even know if they, well, I don't know if they have an online website, but I'm gonna try to find a link. Okay, so this juicer, I actually got really lucky. We have like this a liquidation store in my city, and I went on $3 day, and they had this juicer, and I'm like, something got to be wrong with it. I don't think none of the parts was missing. Like, is it glitching when y'all watching this? Because it's glitching while I'm trying to edit it, but I don't know. I don't think none of the parts was missing. Some of them came with 2 parts. I don't know what was wrong with it. They said it was an Amazon return. I got it for $3, and I've been using it for like a year and a half, almost 2 years. I'm gonna look it up on Amazon, and then I'm gonna leave a link down below. I don't know how much it cost originally, so I can't say if it was worth it, but for $3 for sure. You see how small the little hole is, so you can't do a whole lot at a time. I do apples, cucumbers, lemons, ginger. You just gotta cut it up. Okay, so this is basically the end. I peel a lemon to put it in there just to make it taste a little bit better. Juices is good for 3 days. I'm pretty sure you could freeze it and it make it last longer. I don't know, but I love celery juice, so mine's never lasts longer than 3 days. I got these little bottles, and sometimes I take them to work. If not, like, I'll drink it once I get up in the morning, once I'm like packing my lunch to get to work. Whatever, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, I really should have started the video out with this because I eat this every morning with, I put bananas in here, but I love bananas, so I also eat a banana on the side, and then I also drink the celery juice. And it's rare that I'm hungry, but that's sometimes I will also eat like some of the fruit. But this is just overnight oats. It's just oatmeal, almond milk, chia seeds, cinnamon, walnuts, vanilla flavoring. What else do I put in here? I think that's it. But the cookbook that I use is called Plant Chew. They got so many like overnight oats recipes. Go get that book, I'm telling you. Okay, so now that I got breakfast and the snack out of the way, it's time for my lunch. This meal prep is more of a lunch meal prep, not a lunch, but a work meal prep because I hate waiting on the microwaves at work. So I try to meal prep stuff that doesn't need to get warmed up. So I either get this basic salad or a chickpea salad, and I think I'm gonna make a video on that. And this salad is so plain and basic, but it works. And I don't know why, like in juices, I keep the skin on there, but in salads and by themselves, I cannot eat the skin of the cucumber. Like, it is so nasty to me. So the only thing that was in this salad was the cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, of course the lettuce, and then I put some chickpeas in there, and I used the vegan dressing from Trader Joe's. Okay, so this is also from that same cookbook, and her name is Carly, not Kelly or whatever I said. I'm gonna add the ingredients down below that I use because I don't follow hers all the way. Like she uses kale, green peas, and coconut milk. I hate that, but I'm just putting my sweet potatoes, some onions, and what else? And then my seasoning and some vegetable broth. Okay, so when it's steamed and it's looking like this when you're gonna add the cauliflower and some bell pepper and then some more seasoning, some different seasoning. No, you're gonna sit and you're gonna let that cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so every other time I've made this, I never used the coconut milk because I don't like it. And then the one time I did try to use the coconut milk, look at it. Like, was I supposed to shake it? This was just a sign. Like, it looks old and spoiled, so I didn't use it. Okay, so the last thing I add is the crushed tomatoes and then a little bit of maple syrup. And then you sit and you let that cook too. And when I tell y'all, like, this is so bomb. I used to make this like 2 to 3 times a month. I loved it so much. And I cook it, like I serve it with some rice. I forgot what type of rice I used. I think it was jasmine rice, but I don't know how to cook rice on my own. I did all that in a rice cooker. And I don't know why I'm using this spatula. And it's the fact that I keep using it. And it's obviously not working, but why would I keep using it? So this is what it looks like when it's done. It kind of looks like a lot, but it's not. I finished the whole bowl and it looks better in person and it tastes so good. Like I promise it's good, y'all. But thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.